Hello everyone, welcome back to Masuma's World. On my last video, I showed you how to make milk cake. After high demand for other flavors, on this video, I'm going to show you how to make easy and simple chocolate milk cake. So let's start. Here I'm using 2 tablespoons of cake butter and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now I'm going to mix both ingredients together until it's really nice, smooth and soft. As you can see, my butter is really smooth and soft. I'm going to add 2 room temperature eggs, mixing it with butter and sugar. Now I am going to add 1 cup of cake flour and then mix it very well with the butter. Here I'm using half teaspoon of baking powder and then mix it with the flour and cake butter. Once it is mixed together, now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of full fat milk. Then keep mixing with your butter. And then I am going to add pinch of salt. If you don't want to add any salt, that's fine, you don't have to use it, but I like to use pinch of salt. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Then mix all ingredients together. Keep mixing until it's turned chocolatey. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then continue mixing for up to 2 minutes. Finally, the mixing is complete. As you can see, my cake butter is ready to go in the oven. Now I am going to place this in a baking dish. So here I'm using a non-stick baking paper. So I'm placing all the cake butter in the baking dish. Now I am going to put it in the oven for up to 30 minutes until it's baked. In the meantime, let's make our chocolate malai milk. How to make chocolate malai milk? Here I'm using 1 tablespoon of chocolate spread, 1 cup of evaporated milk, and 2 tablespoons of sweet condensed milk. Now I am going to add 1.5 cup of full fat milk, but you can add more or less. Keep mixing for 2 minutes. If you want to add more chocolate spread, you can add more chocolate. After 30 minutes, as you can see, my cake is ready, and I am going to pierce the cake with this fork. I'm using this one, so you can use toothpick as well. So try to pierce the cake as much as you can, so all the malai milk can go inside the cake. Now I am going to cut this cake in 2 pieces, so that's why I'm transferring the cake in a chopping board. It's a really easy and simple recipe to follow, and I'm highly recommend you to try it. And I'm sure you guys will love it. I am going to return the cake in the same oven bake tray. I transferred the milk into the teapot and I will use this to pour over the cake. Generously pour the milk over the cake. Now I am going to leave this cake in the fridge for overnight. After leaving the cake for overnight, now I am going to decorate my cake. So here I am using full fat cream. And now I am going to use 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chocolate spread. You can add more chocolate spread if you want. Mixing all ingredients with the mixer. Now you can see my cream is really fluffy. Now I am going to decorate my cake, and here I am using big star shaped nozzle for decorating. Now I am going to use chocolate sprinkle on the top. The easy and simple chocolate milk cake is now ready to serve, and my family loved this chocolate cake. Hope you all liked my recipe. Watch out for my next video where I will be showing you how to make lotus biscuit milk cake. For any suggestion, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, press the bell icon so you don't miss out. Thank you for being part of my world. Take care. See you soon. Bye.